As they say in horse racing, this one could go either way. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Thursday, September 10th. And my goodness gracious, what a wild and willy market we have today. Overnight action was much lower. Now we're much higher. And there is a lot of whippy price action back and forth. Yesterday, the rallies were basically just straight up until the end of the day. Overnight and today, we were getting a little bit of two-way trade, which is only saying that this market can go either way from here. There's no way to discern. The only thing that we use, that I can judge, is based on what our algorithms are that say we're short. You know, we're still long the Russell, but we're basically short. So I can only assume that it will resolve itself down. Of course, obviously, we can be wrong. We have been wrong. I mean, our numbers are 66%. So certainly this could be one of the 34. I can't predict that, but the action suggests a much bigger move is generating, and it could be either way. Obviously, you can see, again, it comes back down to the price action. And I think you're going to see is, I would say that by the end of today, you might have a better idea if we're going to go lower or higher based on how the rest of the day trades out here. There's no way to exactly know from here because it really legitimately can go either way. So what we got, we won't be doing anything till tomorrow. So we'll see how today plays out. And of course, once again, the metals, gold and silver and platinum were lower and now they're higher again. Of course, the dollar is getting smushed, which is good for us, but obviously the rally of metals not. But what we're seeing here, I think this is more of a play on the dollar versus gold, or the end of the others. But at the end of the day, we are still short. It has not gone anywhere near where I would be reversing regardless. It's really just working in a congestion band back and forth. So if it does break out the upside, of course, we'll have to reverse. It's not again, we don't have a decision to make. The decisions are made automatically. So, but right now we're still short. We're still short dollars, and it is getting hammered today. The bonds are lower. We're short both bonds and notes. Again, this is the slight rise in interest rates, but really they're falling. It's a whole manipulation game. We'll see what happens there. Copper's had a pretty big rally back. Now it's still down, but it was getting clocked overnight. Now it's come almost all the way back. And natural gas is, down a little bit near the unchanged level. And crude is down a little bit. But again, crude looks bad. We're short. Overall, it's hard to, like I said, it's hard to call. So basically you can see behind me, it says, now what? Well, we don't have an answer. Now what? We can only base decisions on what we do mathematically and based on patterns. So that's where we are. And of course, grains are higher. I know there's a report coming out tomorrow, which, I don't care about, but there's a report tomorrow. And of course, they are higher. Corn's up a nickel, which is nice. And wheat's up about 6 or 7 cents, and beans are about a penny or two. Again, they look great. I mean, they look solid. We're long them across the board. The meats are also up across the board. Now, we're still short cattle, both fats and feeders, and we are long hogs, which are up limit this morning. So there you have it. Now, what do we do from here? Again, I stick with what the mathematical formula tells me. The only time I will say to you predictions of what I think is when we're at extremes, tops or bottoms. But here we are kind of in the middle of nowhere in many of the markets. So let's see the price action. Let's watch it. Let's observe it. If you want to trade, great. Just know your exits. In the meantime, don't forget our partnership with Family Farms. Again, we are looking forward to it and a lot of good things. I mean, we do a lot of real good things for farmers over here at Bubba Trading. Our hedging is the best and always takes care of them. So in the meantime, looking forward to our partnership with them and our brokerage partners, CTG for commodities and futures. They handle all of our letter of direction trading, especially mine. But we are, I have other brokerages, again, full disclosure, but they do all the work for us. They take care of it. They do a great job, get great customer service. So again, I love working with them, and I know all the people that we work with love working with them as well because they just do it straight, they do it right, and there's no games played. So again, CTG for equities, for futures and futures and commodities, equities, trade here. Equities and options. Again, I ask you, if you're paying more than $10 a month now, why aren't you paying $10 a month? It's pretty much that simple. They're a great company. They get a great organization. They've got great customer service. So why would I want to go anywhere else? Or at least for my active trading. I'm not telling you to move all your brokers, but if you're doing any active trading, why wouldn't you have an account at least to trade actively with Tradier? In the meantime, again, it's $10 a month. You want information on either one of those, you can email me at bub@bubbatrading.com. And again, remember, I do have accounts elsewhere, but those are what I use the most. And of course, the commodity report, which I saw the weekly came out last night. Wow, what a report. I'm telling you, it's one of the best commodity reports. Plus, it covers the index as well and the corresponding ETFs, written by Andy Hecht. So you can see his stuff on Seeking Alpha. He's the #1 author there. Meantime, if you want to check it out, Technomental is the name of the report. It's at bubbatrading.com. And of course, you can get it for $100 a month or $800 a year. That price will soon be going up. But for now, this is kind of our introductory offer. You want to check it out, great. And of course, don't forget about our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Again, we say now what? We don't know, but football does start tonight. That we know, and we do like the underdog. So we are betting we're betting Houston tonight. In the meantime, have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.